Hi there, this is Leslie from Leslie's Travel Snacks. This video doesn't have to do with travel, but I'm going to do an unboxing video for you for the MediCrystal ThermoGem 3. I'm not going to get the name right. Hold on. It is the MediCrystal ThermoGem 3 Gems Biomagnetic Photon Pro Mat. Let's just get right to it. Okay, here's the box. It's a pretty big box. It weighs about 25 pounds. So here we go. It's all packed pretty tight. Let's see. I'm gonna set this up here. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, I am such a newbie at this. I didn't realize that my video only goes 1 minute at a time. So I already pulled it out of the canvas bag. Okay, so this canvas bag that this mat sits in is really thick. It's really nice, sturdy. It feels really high quality. I pulled the mat out from it. I kind of had to turn it upside down and gently, basically dump the mat out of it very gently, because it sits in there really snug. So let's set the bag aside. The mat is here folded in thirds. So I unfold the mat. And these goodies are sitting inside. This is a sort of like a mattress cover for it. Let me zoom out just a little bit here. Which I read you can use this, like if you're having multiple people use your mat, you can have this over the mat. It helps keep it clean, but you do lose some of the effect of basically the red lights, I think even some of the photons. It just puts an extra layer in between you and the mat. So I probably won't use this, but it certainly is nice that they include this. That's definitely an extra. And then look here, underneath there's an additional cover that comes with it. This is sort of a mesh. You can see it's kind of see-through here. There's the cool mat. This allows you sort of a sweat layer between you and your mat. You still get most of the benefits of all the offerings from the mat. I think even from the red light. Again, I'm mostly using this for the magnetic qualities of the mat, which is why I got the biggest size mat. You can see this thing's pretty darn big, because I want my arms, everything to be on the mat. The other ones that are a little smaller, they're a little more narrow. I'm not sure if it really covers your arms and everything. Again, my main focus was for the magnetic qualities of this mat, which I think the specs are pretty awesome compared to some of the other big names out there. That's why I got this particular brand. But as you can see, we also have a red light in the house. So I did not really get this for the red light qualities. I'm kind of excited even for the gems. Why not? It's just extra great features of this mat. Anyway, I'm unboxing, so I need to focus. Here we have the manuals. Look at this. Look at this, is nice. Look, it comes with a nice bracelet, an amethyst bracelet. That's a nice bonus. Oh, this is important. This is the little tester to test where if the magnetic pulse is on and working. Here are your certificates for the various gems, the amethyst. What do we have here? The Jade and the Tourmaline. Okay, great. And the user guide. Okay, these really are all seem very quality. There's no slacking off here. This one is really substantial and thick. Of course, I can't get it out with one hand. Hold on, bear with me here. Gems and crystals. Yeah, I mean, this is really thick. This is nice. This is a nice product. This is a very nice product. And here's all the controls. Look at how beautiful this is. I love it. Okay, I'm super excited. Okay, it was so easy to hook up. There's just one easy connection right here. There's the connector. I've got it hooked into the wall. And I was totally wrong. That little thing I showed you was a fuse, an extra fuse. This is the tester for the magnetic, for the PEMF. So look at how easy this is. Power on. heating element I'm going to turn on. And yes, I have actually read all the instructions before this, so I'm not just randomly turning things on. Look, there's the red lights I just turned on. Now I'm going to turn on the magnetic pulse. Okay, look at this. Watch the little guy. Look at that. It goes crazy when you hit where the actual magnetic coil is. So that's really pretty cool. So you can tell exactly where the magnets are and that they're actually on. So, I mean, this thing is beautiful. And let me tell you, it's no slouch. It's heavy, it's thick, it feels really solid. It's a quality thing. I mean, even the stitching, it's really nice. Everything feels solid, feels sturdy, it feels well made. So far, I mean, obviously this is new for me, but yeah, I'm really excited about this. ThermoGem 3-gem. I'm not going to get it right. I cannot get the name right first time. I'm going to read it to you one more time so you remember what it is. ThermoGem 3 gems Biomagnetic Photon Pro Matte.